Some of you are getting close to getting to that number 19, so let's just talk about my expectations for when you encounter a word problem. Number 1, if we're talking about the system of equations, how many variables are you going to have? 2. Okay? So you need to tell me what they are. If you're going to use X and Y, tell me what X and Y are. Okay? So let's read this. Mrs. Holman is really excited about Thanksgiving. She is planning on making a pecan pie. That was implied. And mashed potatoes. I'm just making a pecan. She needs a total of 17 tablespoons of butter. There are 7 more tablespoons of butter needed for the taters than for the pie. How many tablespoons of butter does each recipe require? Okay, so if I'm looking for 2 things and I call them X and Y, what are our 2 unknowns? Okay, so tablespoons of butter. What do you want X to be? The pie or the taters? I'm going to do pie since it comes first in the sentence. And then tablespoons of butter for the mashed potatoes. I don't call them taters. I was just joking. Okay. So that has to be done first. That way you know what the heck is happening. Okay? Did I mention that there is a sheet with these problems on it right in front of you? If you haven't grabbed them, could you do that? There's a white sheet of paper with these problems on it. Sorry if I failed to mention that. Okay. So now, let's set up our equations. What does it mean when I say she needs a total of 17 tablespoons of butter? So the recipes added together equals 17. There are 7 more tablespoons of butter needed for the mashed potatoes than for the pecan pie. Pecan pie. How do I write that? Which one is bigger?
Tablespoons of mashed potatoes.
You need more. Hold on. You need more for the potatoes than you do for the pecan pie. So, if I have X and Y, you're telling me that Y is bigger? Correct? So I need to add 7 to X if it's going to equal Y. Yeah? Yeah? Or no? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hey, can we solve it? Oh, yeah, this is so nice to solve, right? So now I can take this and say, hey, that equals Y. So X plus Y equals 17.
I just hit X plus times X plus 7 equals 17. That looks really weird.
But really, it's just X plus 17, right? So 2X plus 7 equals 17, right? So what's X?
5.
Which means... what's Y?
12.
Okay. Now, do you think I want you to give me the coordinate 5, 12? No. What does that mean? No. Okay. What I want you to do is I want you to tell me that we need 5. Ooh, what does X mean? X. Oh, good thing we wrote it down right here. 5 tablespoons of butter for the pecan pie and 12 tablespoons of butter for the mashed potatoes. If you do not tell me what your X and Y equal, or if you want to use M and P or whatever it may be. I'm rhyming. When you get to your answer, you might not know which number means what. So label it in the beginning so that I know what you're doing. Okay? Do you understand what my expectations are? Okay. All right. Save that sheet because we'll go through